Ramesh Hegde, also at 594 marks at state rank 6. Please come on the stage with the parents. Pratiksha and scoring 590 marks on the proud rank 10, state rank 10 Pratiksha. Sahana Gopalakrishna Bhagwat at 590 marks, state rank 10. Sahana Gopalakrishna Bhagwat, next.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, so let's now celebrate two of our shining stars from the commerce stream. Both.
Not exactly. Most of us probably did the same thing, but maybe putting little more efforts in doing the same thing made me.
With the performance of our children in this year's academic season, children of Diksha Vedantu have done phenomenally well in PUC and in competitive exams such as the CET, COMEDK, JEE Main, JEE Advanced, NEET and ICER. What is amazing is these children are not just good in one track or field. You have so many children who got a rank in PUC, JEE Main, JEE Advanced and also in medicine. And they have a plethora of choices to decide what they want to do. This is all largely due to the amazing efforts of all the teachers who've been more of friends and mentors for them, walking through them to this journey. 2 years is a very difficult journey. These teachers have been with them non-stop to guide them and help them along.
So, ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಟು ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೈರ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟು ಶೋಕೇಸ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್. ಈ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅದು ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು ಅಚೀವ್ ಇಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರೂವನ್ ಇಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಶೈನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಮ್ ಔಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಈ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಲೆವೆಲಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರು ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವನ್ and they have done very well in the national level examinations. So all the children out there who are seeing this program, please be rest assured it is possible to achieve your dreams. So dream big and draw inspiration from these kids and say that yes, it is possible.
If they have done it, so can you. All the very best.
All the best.
One more thing, could you also talk about
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಮೈ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ತುಷಾ ವಿಭು ಮಾಳಿಗೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ I'm a student for 2 years at Diksha main campus in Kanakpura Road, and my JEE advanced rank was 4365, from which I got a seat at IIT Bombay mechanical branch, and my JEE mains percentile was 99.70. Along with that, I secured 87th state rank in KCET, 80th rank in COMEDK, as well as 178 rank in IAT, which is ICER's entrance exam. And I have to say that Diksha has played a very huge part in my preparation. They have guided me, they have supported me, all the teachers, all the faculty, the Diksha team. I was at revision in the Diksha EB batch, excellence batch, Ekalavya batch. So I want to thank those teachers as well. I want to thank the entire Vedantu team, and most of all I need to thank my parents, because without their support nothing would have been possible. And for all the future aspirants of JEE, and one thing I forgot to mention is NEET, I got a score of 486. So one thing I want to tell all the people who are aspiring is nothing is impossible if you just put in sincere daily effort. ದಿನ ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ 3 hours 4 hours ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಶ್ಯೂರ್ಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸಿನ್ಸಿಯರಾಗಿ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋ ಟು ವೇಸ್ಟ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಯೋರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ make sure that you're on the right path. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Raksha Dinesh Hegde from Diksha Excellence Batch. I've secured an All India rank of 12 in JEE Mains BR, KCET Architecture 3rd rank, and PU Board I've secured 6th rank to the state. So I come from a place called Sirsi in Uttara Kannada, and my parents, both of them are doctors. So both my siblings are also like, both of them have chosen the medical field itself, whereas I have chosen architecture. And EB has been the right platform for me to do justice to my true potential. So right from the very beginning, we had weekly tests, so I could analyze my errors, and they were basically like rehearsals for my final exam, and I could perform well due to the constant analysis and guidance that my teachers gave. Yeah, so teachers, I used to have one-on-one DP sessions where I had my Diksha parent help me in analyzing my mistake, many errors that I made and how I could improve them every week, and timely support and guidance, not only academic but also emotional support was duly provided, so that was very helpful. So Diksha, I would say, is the right platform for everyone who is aiming to achieve good feat in both competitive and PU. Thank you.